After you've created your stock size and set up your zeros, you can now do a variety of different toolpaths. Right now I'm going to show you the contour toolpath, so it will cut out just this shape here of the side. So I'm going to come up to 2D contour. I'm going to jump over here. I'm going to click on Tool. I'm going to select a 1/4 inch end mill. Choose Select. From here, you want to make sure we're at 12,000 RPMs. Cutting rate, feed rate of 20. Lead in feed rate of 20. Out of 20. A ramp feed rate of 20. And then you want to change your plunge, if it is not already, to 20. From there, we just work from left to right. Let's click on the next tab right here as we select our different contours. I'm just cutting out this shape here. That's the contour we're going to do, so we'll jump on to the next one, which is our height. How far are we going to cut it? So from here, we come down to our bottom height, and we choose this selection for stock top. And our material that we're using is a 1/2 inch, so we're going to do an offset of 25,000. So a total depth of -0.525, just to go a little past our material. You can even verify that by clicking on the side here, and you'll see that it's going to go past your stock a little bit. So now we'll jump to the next one. The next tab is passes. Here we'll detail how many passes we want to create. I'm going to click on this multiple depths here, and at the most, this cutting tool, I want to cut only 165 thousandths at the very most at a time. From here, we jump to the next section, which is linking. In our linking parameters, in this particular case, you do not need to do anything, and you should be all set. Press OK. Click on Tool Isometric. We can come up here to simulate what we just did here. We have this stock here selected, and that's why we have this green box here. So I can press play, and it will simulate the different cutting paths. You can click down here and advance it a little faster so you can see where all those materials are. Nice little check that I like to do, which is pretty important. Right on this last step is that we like to look at the positions. So if I rewind it or grab this little tab back, you can see our -525 here. So we know we didn't make a mistake by putting a decimal in the wrong portion.